The Russian armed forces continue to attack military facilities in Ukraine, updated on 6 July 2022. Russian aerospace forces hit the temporarily deployment point of the 22nd Motorized Infantry Battalion of 92nd Mechanized Brigade in Kharkov, destroying up to 100 Ukrainian nationalists and 4 pieces of military equipment, says Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor. High-precision air-to-air missiles destroyed 2 United States-made HIMARS multi-launch rocket launcher and 2 ammunition depots near Matoranovka in the Donetsk People's Republic. High-precision weapon destroyed 1 radar station of S-300 surface-to-face missile system near Shirokolanivka, Nikolaev region, and 1 temporarily foreign mercenary deployment point near Liman in Nikolaev region. The Russian aerospace forces destroyed 1 missile and artillery weapon depots of 57th Armored Brigade of the Eastern Outskirts, 2 soldiers, where 1,500 shells in various calibers and more than 100 foreign-made anti-tank missile systems were destroyed. In addition, Russian aerospace forces destroyed 6 command posts, including those of Southern Operation Group and 79th Airborne Assault Brigade and 57 Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine in Bashastan, Nikolaev, and soldiers 6 weapon and ammunition depots near Bastaktan in Nikolaev region, Ivanodarivka, Zaitsevo, Zivanovka, Artemovsk in Donetsk People and Kharkov People Republic, as well as 27 concentration areas of armed forces of Ukraine labor and military equipment. As part of the battle against the battery, 1 platoon of Uragan multiple rocket launcher system was destroyed, 3 platoons of artillery in firing position near Zerzing and Leninkoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and 1 platoon of multiple launcher system missiles near Grad in Forsenskonkoye in Nikolaev region were neutralized. Operational military and tactical aviation, missiles forces, and artillery targeted 77 areas of armed forces of Ukraine manpower and military equipment. The Russian Su-25 fighters shot down 2 Mi-24 helicopters and 1 Su-25 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Forces in a single combat near Nikolaev and Skinerovka in Nikolaev region. In addition, Russian Air Defense Forces shot down 1 Ukrainian Air Forces Mi-8 helicopters near Permovmayskoye, Nikolaev region. In addition, 11 Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles were shot down near Zelenie Gai in Nikolaev region, Fernopole, Dolgenkoye, Malie Prohody, Topolskoye, Chernovoya, Kurevka in Kharkov region, Cernoboyevka, Gronozoye, Novoldimirivka in Kherson region, and Alexandropolie in Lugansk People's Republic. A total of 232 Ukrainian aircraft and 137 helicopters, 1,462 unmanned area aircraft, 353 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,915 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 720 multiple missile systems, 3,096 field artillery and mortars, as well as 4,043 units of the special military vehicles was destroyed during the operation. Ukraine also reported the Russian losses updated on 133rd day. Russia lost 217 aircraft, 187 helicopters, 1,600 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 247 multiple rocket launcher system, 2,648 vehicles, field tanks, and 664 unmanned area vehicles and 15 boats.